Hello mis amores, hoy les traigo este makeup look, blue, ombre, glitter, lashes, everything, todo. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to do is prime my lids. I'm using the ColourPop concealer to do this. And this I'm just going to blend out. And after I blend it out, I'm going to begin applying my shadows directly to it. That way, las sombras se ven más. Then I'm going to start applying my shadows. This is the color Deep Skin de Morphe Brushes. And I'm just going to apply that in my crease area. Then I'm going to be applying el color Fond de Anastasia Beverly Hills para oscurecer un poquito más esa área. To start carving out my cut crease, voy a utilizar el color Hot Chocolate de Anastasia con una brocha pequeña, plana, so that my cut crease is exactly where I want it. Para difuminar la línea un poco, voy a coger el tono que utilicé primero, Deep Skin de Morphe, to blend out the lines. To continue blending the color y para oscurecer un poquito más el tono, estoy cogiendo el color Fond que usé de segundo to make it a little bit darker. Y pueden ver que ya la línea se desapareció por completo, and I'm just gonna keep on working and blending those colors into the crease. Y cuando se cansen de difuminar, difuminen un poco más. To add a little bit more color, I'm using that dark brown from Juvias Place, adding the color poco a poco, porque es más fácil agregar más color y no quitar. To carve out my cut crease, voy a ponerme un poco del corrector abajo en the mobile lid, and I simply just look up and then it tells me exactly where to cut my crease, and it gives you the perfect cut crease. So I did one eye of camera because obviously that's faster. So what I start doing with the eye is I just simply start with a white in the inner part of the eye, and then I start adding the lightest blue to the lid. Y voy a estar combinando el blanco y el azul so that I can blend it together. And as I blend these two colors, I'm going to add then my second darkest blue, y voy a estar haciendo lo mismo hasta que llegue al último azul. I'm going to be blending all my colors, all my blues into another para que se vean bien difuminado and blended together. So I then add the glitter right on top donde se divide el marrón y los azules. Hago el delineado. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do my liner, just let me know down below. Déjenme un comentario para hacerle un tutorial. Agregué las pestañas, and now I'm gonna prepare my face. I'm feeling a little bit dry, so I did use an oil and my primer by Smashbox, which I adore. Estoy usando dos bases. ¿Te ven la diferencia? Esta se cae y esta no. This is so thick. Gonna put a little drop in the sponge. I'm applying my concealer. It's the same concealer that I used to prepare my eyelids, and I'm just gonna put this right under my eyes because I have really bad under eyes. I'm gonna put it on the bridge of my nose, in my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. Para difuminar el corrector le agregué un poquito más de aceite a la esponja, and I just blended everything out. Let's bake la face. Obviously, it's not necessary to put all of this powder. A mí me funciona because I crease very easily. I love the magic of editing. I just took off all the excess powder y voy a empezar a poner un poquito de color en mi cara by adding MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and then I'm going to be adding a little bit of Hoola bronzer as well to give it a little bit more color, and I'm also kind of contouring with this bronzer, which is a really nice tone. Then I'm taking a little bit of Milani's Rose Blush. Try saying that a couple times. And then I'm going to do my brows. There they are. Beautiful brows. Highlight she who and get laid. I love this highlight. I love this highlight. I love this highlight. I love this highlight. I love when my nose looks like that. You can see how excited I was about this highlight. I love, love, love that highlight by Bretman Rock and Morphe. It's amazing. So pretty. I'm gonna take some blue liner. This blue right here, dark blue. Basically what I did, I put some blue liner on my waterline, and then I took some blue eyeshadow and then I just put it like on the bottom of my waterline, and I took a cream color to kind of just blend out those two colors so that they don't look so harsh. Then I'm taking a little bit more of that oil and I'm putting it on my lips to put some moisture on my lips and also help me take out all that makeup that I have in there. Then I'm taking a lip pencil by e.l.f. and I'm going to be lining my lips. Obviamente no voy a delinear mis labios por afuera porque tengo los labios suficientemente grandes y no lo quiero hacer más grande. So I line inside of my lip so that it doesn't look overly big, because believe me, I don't want that. Then I'm going to take a nude color from the Anastasia's lip palette and I'm going to add that all over my lips, obviously. I also added a pink nude gloss to my lips because I love a glossy lip. And then I just finished the whole makeup look by adding a lot of setting spray. And here is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me a big thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys. Besos.